Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to test. This is the third test I've done. I would say a mild, a couple of mild sources, and now I'm going to test this one. So this is from a company called Slap Your Mama. They were kind enough to have a chat with me in London this week, and they gave me some free samples, and I said I'd come away and do some testing for them, which I'm now going to do. Now I'm doing this on the Food Sense Generation 4, which is sometimes called the Scoville meter. If you're interested in this, you can find it. But I'll put a link underneath the video, and also you can find the website here as well. With that said, let me sort of jump into this and just go show you how to A, prepare the sample, and B, then how to run a sample. So what I'll do is I will shake. That's what they suggest. I can see, so I'll shake it. Maybe I should have shaken that a little bit longer actually, but yeah, in fact I will. So let me just give it a quick shake. Right, and then I will put some in here. And then what I will do is, now I've got that in there, I will grab a little vial, which I have got here. And I'm going to grab 100 microliters and put it into my little vial. You see me will do all of this in front of you now. 100 microliters, in it goes, great. Now I'm going to do what I call a 1 in 10 dilution by taking 900 microliters of buffer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As I say, 9 plus 1, 10. That's a 1 in 10 dilution. So I've got it in front of me here. I'll bring the Vortexer in. And the good thing about the Vortexer is it just vibrates like crazy. So you get there's no way you'll be able to shake it as fast as the Vortexer can actually do this. So I'll just count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That'll do. And I'm almost ready to go. So I'll just grab a fresh chili sensor off the strip here. 1, 2, 3. Right. So I've got the sensor. Good. I'll click that into there. Yeah. All right. Now I want to grab 50 microliters of the sample, and then I'll put that on there, and we'll be good to go. So as you can see, everything is done live for you. Right, I have given it a name already, which I can help me recognize it later on. I kind of put hot sauce in there. Make sure I choose the 1 in 10, which I've done. Start measurement, and off it goes. So I can see the peaks appearing for capsaicin. You don't have to interpret the data yourself. The system does it for itself. So we've got a result here of 1380, so 1380, 1380, and it also says upload complete. So I'll just demonstrate to you again that upload complete means if I just go to my external camera, no, sorry, wrong one. If I just go to here, it's gone up to a system called Djuli. I just do a quick refresh here, and then I can see my Cajun hot sauce here. I always get the kind of full record of what's happened. We get the raw signal, we get the time, we get the date, we get the operator, and we can look at that nice big peak there. All right, so what we've got here is time in London, date in London, operator who did the work, raw signal. Just out of interest, this is called peak 1, peak 2, and peak 3. These are the 3 peaks that tell me that this is capsaicin. And then we've analyzed the peak. We've got the Scoville Heat Unit 1380, and if I so wish as well, because I've got kind of some sort of, especially if you're exporting sending to supermarkets, etc., then you kind of need quite a good bit of traceability. So this kind of helps then with that kind of quality control as well. And then I can bring it up here, and you've got a sort of PDF of that. Now, don't forget all the data is also just saved to the cloud anyway, so you don't necessarily need to have exported as a PDF, but it does help. So in summary, thank you to the guys for giving me this 3 samples. That was the last one I just tested today. And then if you've got any questions regarding food sense, you can always contact us through the website as well. I'll also put a link underneath the video. Okay, thanks very much.